Let's see, tell the folks what car you bought from Taylor.
Nissan Rogue,
Yeah.
2018. It's very easy to drive, comfortable. It was the first car that was shown to me by John.
Yeah, and John's a great guy.
Oh, John he treated me like I was his mom.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
he looked out after me, made sure I was comfortable with the car, because I'm older and to get in and out of the vehicle, I
Yes.
have to be able to.
Yes, right, I get that. This was your first car that you bought yourself?
Yes.
Tell us that story.
First car that I've ever bought myself. My husband always did it before, and he's gone, he's passed now. I've never bought one of my own that I'm paying for and that I
Yes.
picked out.
Yes.
You know, he always just picked them out, you know.
Right.
Just went with it. But I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm real pleased. I love Taylor Honda.